What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have the new Zooz UF1200 Ultraflex battery here. I figured I would take this time to show you the difference in how it mounts and how much more secure it is. So, first of all, the key here, locking mechanism is different, right? This is like spring-loaded now, okay? So you'll know it's in there because it will snap into place automatically. You don't have to turn it, you don't have to spin it fully and make sure that there's no play, make sure that there's no catching. You can't take your key out unless it's in this position. Very different than the old battery system. That's number one. Number two, these are much more robust, the clips here. And if you can see down in there, in those holes, those little circles, it's reinforced with metal. So this thing isn't going anywhere, all right? New difference also here, these connections here. Let me get in the light so you can see. This is a 5-pin connection. It's different than those ones on the 1100 and 750 that look like gills. They look like fish gills. They're like metal slats that go vertically up and down. Very different. I actually prefer the old connection better. I actually prefer that over this. But these are supposedly better. I don't know. We'll see. I had issue with mine. The little copper circle there, one of them was busted out and there was some melt. So they replaced the battery, and now everything's fine. But I wanted to show you this battery unmounted, and then now I'll show you how it mounts. It's pretty simple. There's also easy access to the fuse right here in case that needs to be replaced. Here's your charging port. It's a different connection than the old battery, and that's basically it. There's a cool print on the bottom that says Zooz. Very cool. That's it. Now I'll show you how to mount it. Alright, so as you can see, before we even get started, I no longer have straps on my battery. It is totally unnecessary the way this new locking mechanism works. It's so much more sturdy. It's a better build. It's a lot more secure. Even though I had mostly had them for decorative purposes in the past, I don't think I really need to get involved with it this time. I might put like a decal on it, like a yellow sticker here to kind of match everything. But anyway, here's how it works, okay? You stick the key in, it's locked when it snaps up, and to get it off, you kind of turn it and push forward, and it just comes right out, okay? And then when you put it back in, carefully get it to the right position, area, and turn the key and slide it back, and then you're good. That's it. It's so much easier, it's so much better, and it's a lot more secure. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.